Okay. Whee! Here's how big it is. Oops. It's not even my arm span. Crazy! Yo, I am loving this forest. It is so cool. I mean, we have the same trees on our side of the Puget Sound. So this is the Quinault Rainforest on the western side of Washington, kind of close to the coast. But it's just different. Like, the microclimate is different. Way more mossy. It seems more alive. And the ferns are, like, there's more of, I forget what these kind of ferns are called here, but there's definitely a lot more of those. So many clovers. Like, I forget, I'm not a wildflower person here, but I think these are wood clovers. They're native clover. Really pretty little white flowers. But yeah, it's just, there's a lot of old growth here. Hopefully we'll be able to get to there's a super large Doug fir tree on this trail as well. So that's kind of cool. And then, so the very end of this hike, well, you have to like match up different trails. There is the largest Sitka Spruce. And I am so excited to see that. You have no idea. I'm really curious to see if there's, I mean, obviously there's got to be a placard there, but like how old that tree is. I mean, it's going to be the largest. And they used to log Sitka Spruce like crazy in Washington because it was really good. Oh, what did they use it for? I actually just did a report on this. Oh my god. Anyway, the late 1800s, early 1900s, they would log all the old growth Sitka spruce to the point that like there just wasn't really a lot of it left. Forest practices weren't very good, so it's not like they were logging it and then replanting it. They just kind of logged it and was, well, the forest will take care of itself. Lies. If you take all of their seed bank, they don't have any more seeds. But whatever. Anyway, so I'm just really excited to see it. I think they used it for ships. It was something to do with the war. World War I? My history is not that great. I just know late 1800s, early 1900s, when they were first colonizing this area. Like the state, not just this area. It probably took them longer to get over here. They logged all the Sitka. So yeah. Okay, well, when I find it, I'll show you. Yo, that's a bat. Right there. What the heck? Why is it outside? Is there something wrong with it? Is it dead? I don't get too close. What? That's so cool. I think this campground is closed, but pretty cool. Let's see. Let's just check it out. Just check it out. Oops. Cool. Again, like, there's a campsite right over there, right next to this waterfall. How cool is that? Like, what the heck? And you just stay right there. Like, what? Beautiful. I mean, there's someone's house right there. It's kind of weird. Oh, it's a ocean board with no information. That's awesome. Oh. This huge tree fell over. So this is the root system. And you can see now it's just this really neat dirt rock wall with ferns. And it's tall. Like, it's probably, I don't know, 10, 12 feet tall. And then this is where it originally was. So you can kind of tell, like, it's been down for a while. And now the forest floor is just taken back over. I just thought that was pretty cool. Holy cow. Look at this guy. To reference, like, that's my hand. What? Insane. I wonder if there's any animals in here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Raccoon just jumped out right now. No, no raccoons. Crazy though, this tree is huge. Okay, so maybe this is the tree. I don't know, there's so many big trees out here.